Welcome back to Crash Test Channel, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and comparisons. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: safety. In this video, we'll compare the Euro NCAP crash test results of the 2024 Volvo XC60 and the 2024 BMW X2, two premium vehicles vying for top honors in occupant protection. First, let's talk about the frontal offset crash test. For the Volvo XC60, the passenger compartment remained stable, offering excellent protection for critical areas such as the knees, femurs, and chest of both the driver and passenger. Volvo demonstrated that this protection extends across occupants of different sizes and positions, a testament to its robust design. Switching to the BMW X2, the passenger compartment also remained stable. While dummy readings showed good protection for the knees and femurs of the front occupants, Euro NCAP flagged certain dashboard structures that could pose a risk to occupants of varying sizes and seating positions. Notably, driver chest protection was rated as marginal, slightly better than the X1, but still falling short of the XC60. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the Volvo XC60 continued to perform strongly. Good protection was noted for most critical areas, except for the chest of the rear passenger, which was rated as marginal. The BMW X2 demonstrated a similar result. Chest protection for the rear passenger was also rated as marginal, but other body areas were rated as good or adequate. Overall, the two SUVs performed comparably in this area. In the side barrier test and the more severe side pole impact, both the Volvo XC60 and the BMW X2 excelled. They scored maximum points, providing good protection for all critical body areas. However, the BMW X2 showed an edge with its advanced countermeasures for occupant-to-occupant impacts during far-side crashes. These systems ensured good head protection in Euro NCAP's test. Both vehicles also performed well in whiplash protection tests. For the front and rear seats, the XC60 and X2 demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision, highlighting the thoughtful design of their seats and head restraints. The Volvo XC60 shines with its autonomous emergency braking system, which avoided collisions in all low-speed city driving tests. The system scored maximum points, ensuring that even urban commutes are safer. The BMW X2, on the other hand, includes an advanced e-call system, which alerts emergency services automatically in the event of a crash. It also applies the brakes after an impact to prevent secondary collisions, a valuable feature for multi-vehicle accidents. So, how do these two vehicles stack up? The Volvo XC60 reinforces its brand's reputation for safety with excellent performance across most tests, particularly in frontal crashes and autonomous emergency braking. However, the BMW X2 adds innovative features like occupant-to-occupant injury mitigation and secondary collision braking, giving it an edge in advanced safety tech. Safety is a critical factor when choosing a car, and both the Volvo XC60 and the BMW X2 deliver strong performances. But what matters most to you, Volvo's legacy of crash protection or BMW's innovative safety tech? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more car comparisons and reviews. Until next time, drive safe.